Gonna make a video of how to play the original Commodore Amiga on a PC. And in order to do that, I've been working on this for a long time. It's not easy to do, but I did figure it out. And I want to show you my setup. A PC stereo system, 26-inch TV that also has VGA cable plugged in, and of course you need Windows. And this particular setup is Windows Vista. Alright, here we are. Gonna do the showing you how to do the Amiga on Windows Vista. Like I said, I finally got this all working, and this is very hard to do, but I'll show you how to do it. Okay, the PF is Pinball Fantasies. Open that up, and then we go right there, double click, okay, got that going, minimize that, and we go down here to, as soon as I get the arrow back, we go full screen. Okay. Now I'm booting up an Amiga computer on a PC. Pretty awesome technology. Let's see if it works. So far so good. Now I'll just left click on the mouse and it will continue booting up the Amiga, and this is what you actually saw on your Amiga computer screen when you bought the, I think it was 3 discs. You had to like type in a number. I'm gonna go with I think I'm going to go with number 3. $1 Billion Game Show. And then of course, that's the sound of the floppy drive loading off the files off the floppy. Okay. I hope it loads up, because I don't want to fuck this up. Oh yeah, it used to take this long to load up a game on floppies. And the floppy really used to make that much noise. Okay, here we go. One player game. That's F1. So I'm gonna push F1. Here we go. And I need to make sure I know which keys. Flip the flippers, and I'll be That's it. Showed you how it's done.